The printf command is a powerful tool in Splunk SPL for creating formatted string output. It allows you to transform and present your data in a clean, professional manner using printf-style formatting. This command is essential when you need to create structured, readable output from your field values, making your search results more presentable and easier to understand. The basic syntax of printf follows a simple pattern. You use the eval command followed by printf, then specify a format string in quotes, followed by the field names you want to format. The format string contains special format specifiers that tell printf how to display each field value. This C-style formatting gives you precise control over how your output appears. There are 4 main format specifiers you'll use regularly. %S formats string values and is used for text data. %D formats integer numbers without decimal places. %.2f formats floating point numbers with exactly 2 decimal places, perfect for currency or percentages. %10s creates a string with a minimum width of 10 characters, useful for alignment and consistent spacing in your output. Let's look at some basic examples. The first example shows simple string formatting where we create a message field by combining the word user with the username field. The second example demonstrates number formatting, creating a score field that displays points with descriptive text. The third example combines multiple fields, showing how to use both string and number formatting in a single printf statement to create a summary that reads naturally. Advanced formatting gives you even more control over your output. You can specify decimal precision using %.2f for currency formatting. Width and alignment can be controlled with numbers after the %sign, creating columns that line up perfectly. Zero padding with %05d creates identifiers with leading zeros. Complex formatting lets you combine multiple techniques to create professional-looking reports with status indicators and percentage completion displays. Printf shines in real-world scenarios. For log formatting, you can create structured log entries that combine timestamp, log level, and message into a consistent format. This makes logs easier to read and analyze. For alert messages, printf helps create clear, informative alerts that include specific metrics like CPU usage percentages, along with the affected host name. These formatted messages are much more actionable than raw field values. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.